Welcome to Crazy Turtle's Kitchen, and today I'd like to share with you a recipe for Finnish pancakes. I know when you have guests coming over and they're spending the night, family's spending the night, and you want something to make for breakfast that everyone can eat at the same time. Pancakes are wonderful, but they aren't all finished at the same time and they don't stay warm. So I have a recipe for you that will feed quite a few people and hopefully make a holiday breakfast or just family breakfast a lot smoother. Super simple preparation. I have 2 cups of milk, 2 tablespoons of oil. I have the sugar and salt that's in the recipe, flour, and 3 eggs. And you just blend this until it is smooth. And I will show you the next step in just a moment. So after blending on high for about 60 seconds, I've got a buttered jelly roll pan, 13 by 18. I'm just going to pour that mixture in. My oven is preheated to 400 degrees. We're just going to pop this in there for 30 minutes. So I'll see you back in just a bit. So as you can see, our Finnish pancake is finished. I have these lines here. If you note that it was actually the pancake has risen and touched the grate that was above in the oven. So it's very normal for this to get puffy during baking, but as soon as you take it out, it all comes down. So I've already cut a slice, but this would serve probably however many would eat this, 10, 12 people. And it's such a moist and delicious pancake. I'd serve it with confectioner sugar over the top, syrup, of course, and then jam as well. It's a wonderful pancake that you do not have to labor over a griddle and that everybody can share and have breakfast at once. Thank you so much for tuning into Crazy Turtle. I hope you enjoy this recipe and are able to create some happy memories with your family. Thanks so much for tuning in. Take care.